This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace starter on 2003 Nissan Frontier. Begin by disconnecting the negative battery terminal to prevent shorts. Next, gather basic tools: ratchet set, wrenches, jack, and jack stands. Work on a cool engine and make sure the vehicle is secure on stands. Locate the starter under the intake area and inspect surrounding wiring before removal. Follow each step slowly to avoid mistakes and stay safe. Lower the front of the truck slightly on jack, stands for comfortable access underneath. Remove any splash shields that block the starter area and disconnect the wiring carefully, labeling connections if needed. Support the starter with one hand while removing the mounting bolts with the correct socket to avoid dropping it. Slide the starter out straight to prevent snagging and inspect the flywheel for damage. Clean the mounting surface before fitting the new unit. Position the new starter in place and hand thread both mounting bolts to ensure proper alignment. Tighten the bolts evenly to the manufacturer's torque specification and reconnect the positive cable and solenoid wiring, ensuring clean contact. Reinstall any removed shields and cautiously lower the vehicle from the jack stands. Reconnect the negative battery terminal last, then test start the engine to confirm operation. Listen for smooth engagement and no unusual grinding or clicks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.